Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am with another tutorial. So introducing the stationery that I'll be using, the Staedtler pencil, Dome's eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And today I'll be using the Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils for the coloring. So the products links are all available in the description. You can go and check them there. So for today I'm going to draw a sweeper, a cleaner, whatever you can call. So we'll start with a circle. So we are making a female sweeper. So we'll start with a circle for the face and a standing line for the body. Once we are done with this, now I am putting a sleeping line for the eyes, nose and last one for the mouth. So now after this I will be starting with the final drawing. So I am starting with the ear. We'll draw a curve for it. 2 slanting lines. Now I'll make the hair. It's a slanting line, a bit curved inside the circle. Now on the outer edge I'm making a curve. I'll be making a scarf on top of this. So making a line slanting which is bit curved when we go ahead. Now joining it towards the ear, making another slanting a bit curved line and joining them together. Now making the lines for the face which is just on the circle that we have drawn. Making the hair part. So just look at the lines carefully. Now on the line that we drew before with the pencil, we are making the eye. So one oval for the eye, then a curve for the eyeball, 2 curves on the top for the eyebrows, a slanting and a sleeping line for the nose and the mouth. Once we are done making the face, now we'll be making a neck, 2 standing lines, joining them with the line towards the center. Now making the collar, sleeping line, slanting and a zigzag, sleeping line, slanting, again a zigzag. So once we are done with this, we are making a slanting line here, another slanting line, joining it with the sleeping line. Now making a slanting line for the shoulder, another slanting line which is a bit curved, then one more slanting line below the corner of the collar, making it curved and standing. So this is basically for the apron. Now making the arms, the sleeves, the waistline. Now we are joining these two with a little curved line on the waist, making a slanting line for the arm, a curved line for the thumb, another curve, slanting line again, a curve, and just adding the fingers there. Now we are making a bucket. So the handle of the bucket here, the other side. Now we are making an oval for the top of the bucket, joining the handle lines, doubling the top part and making 2 slanting lines for the base of the bucket. Once we are done with this, we'll start with the other arm. So starting from the shoulder, one more slanting line. Now doubling the sleeves line, slanting line, this is going up. Just making one more slanting line till the elbow and another slanting line towards the sleeve. Now we are making the handle of the mop. So first we are making it with the pencil because we have to show it being holded in the hand. So first we are just making the stick lines with the pencil, and now we'll be outlining the hand first. So a curved line just like a mountain, and then a curved one more line for the thumb and another 3 curved lines for the fingers. So that's how we can draw the hand. Now making the lower part of the apron, again making 2 slanting lines, adding one more line on one side and just adding a pocket here, sleeping line and a curve. So now we'll be making the legs. They're just the slanting line, follow the lines carefully, joining them with the sleeping line. Now making the shoe and the footwears. It's a slanting line, a curved line coming down, sleeping and slanting again. So just look at the lines carefully. It will be very easy for you to draw. Adding details to the mop. So it's a curved line, curves at the bottom. Just adding few details there. And now we'll be outlining the standing line. Just be careful with the lines that we have to draw with the pen, as we are not supposed to do all the pencil lines that we have made before. Now adding a little bit of water, spilled water on the floor. So here we are done with the drawing. Now just erasing the extra lines. The pencil lines that we drew before, they were just for our help, just to make sure that we are making the drawing correctly. I hope you enjoyed watching the drawing for this video. Do let me know in the comment section about this video. Now we are starting with the colors, doing the skin color in the face. Covering the neck and then the arms and the hands. So for the clothes, you can decide the colors. You can do any colors of your choice, or you can follow the same color which are done in this video. Do let me know in the comment section about this video, and also you can let me know what you want me to draw next. As you all know that I am coming up with a new tutorial every day. So you can just let me know in the comment section anything specific if you want me to draw. Just follow the one direction when you're coloring to get the smoothness. So we are almost done with the drawing. I hope you have enjoyed the drawing. Do like and subscribe to my channel. And also share it with your friends. All the tutorials are very easy to do. And the products that I have used, all the links are provided in the description. You can go and check them out. So here we are done with the drawing. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow.